I think I found myself a meteorite. Yeah, I truly believe I did. Let me paint the backstory on how I got it, and I'm going to tell you what makes me think it's a meteorite. We have a rock tumbler, and we go a little bit of everywhere collecting rocks for this rock tumbler. Well, one of them trips, or one of the many trips, some rocks cannot make it through the rock tumbler. So what my wife did was she took them out. They were still interesting rocks, and we put them on a side table back here and forget all about them. At least that's what happened this time. So the other day I was out here having lunch with my wife, and I picked up this rock right here. I was like, this thing's got some weight to it. Then I got to looking at it, I was like, could that be a meteorite? So I went inside like anybody would, and I jumped online and I typed in, how do you know if you found a meteorite? Let me tell you. The first thing it said was, it will have some weight to it. It'd be heavier than your average rock. It was, yes, much heavier. The second thing I was supposed to look for was, will it have pivots and sharp edges? Yes, this thing has pivots and sharp edges. Even has the color of a piece of metal. Yeah. And yes, so that checks out. And that's one of the things I noticed when I picked up the rock. You know, besides it being heavy, I was like, whoa. The third thing it asked me to look for was, does a magnet stick to it? Yes, a magnet does stick to it, guys. Oh yes, it sticks all the way around the whole, well, rock or meteorite. Yes, a magnet definitely sticks to it. Couldn't exactly tell you where this rock came from, because when we go out and collect rocks for the rock tumbler, it's all over the place. And like I said, it was a little big for the rock tumbler, so it was still an interesting rock. So we put it off the side, and I picked it up back about a week ago. I was like, this could be a meteorite. I think it is. I personally think it is a meteorite. And yes, I know meteorites are very rare, but they are still here on Earth. They have fell from the sky through billions of years, and lots of people do find them. Even in some cases, the meteorite may be worth a little bit of money. Even if this thing is worth money, I will never sell it. The only way I will really truly know if it's a meteorite is if I take it to an expert. And I don't know any experts, especially in this town. I have asked my wife and my kids, what do they think? Do they think it's a meteorite? No, they do not. Nah. Only I'm the one that thinks it's a meteorite. Hey, my son says you can find all kinds of rocks out there with metals in them. He may be right. I may never know if this is a meteorite or not. I may never know. If I can find a place that won't cost money and get it checked out, that'd be kind of cool to know. But until then, I'm still going to continue thinking it's a meteorite. What do you guys think down there? Although I know you have more than likely have not, I know, let me get this out. I know you can't really rightfully say unless you hold the meteorite or rock, but does it look like one to you? Does it appear like it may be? It does to me. It has all the three things online said: rigid edges, a magnet sticks to it, and weight. Okay, I wanted to make a video of this and just get your all's opinion. If you follow my videos, if you're one of my subscribers, you follow my videos, you know I've been fighting the cats getting on my back deck. Well, the next day or so, I'm going to try another thing to keep them off, and we'll get into that then. But guys, until then, come on, let's get out of here. Thank you for watching. Leave it down in the comments. Do you think that's a meteorite, or just a dang rock that has metal into it? Well, metal inside of it. We'll catch you in a couple days, guys. Thanks for watching.